guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video, obviously. Am I supposed to be saying my name in the beginning of every one of these videos? Is that like a thing? Comment down below and let me know if that's a thing, because I feel like everyone else does it but I don't do it. But like at this point it's a habit for me to not do it. I also keep trying to intro all of these videos like my Halloween videos because I'm still in that mindset even though I'm completely done with them. And by the time you guys are seeing this video, those videos are going to be almost a month old, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing kind of another fall look, but really just a classic Thanksgiving look. Just really warm and pretty. I know that we're all going to have a really different Thanksgiving this year, but if it helps you to have some semblance of a normal day to get glam, just if you're gonna eat at home or if you're, living with your parents still and you're just having dinner with your parents, just something to kind of keep the day just a little bit more normal than what we all are currently dealing with. But I hope that you guys have a safe Thanksgiving regardless. Back to the makeup though. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I don't really have like a clear plan as to what it is that I want to do, just kind of like a general idea. But I'm going to be going in with the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the one that looks like this right here. I do know that I want to go darkest to lightest today because I want to make sure that my outer corner has the most impact to it. I'm going to start off by going into this deep, dark, reddish brown shade right here and just packing that onto my outer corner. And then next up, I'm going to go into this kind of darker orangey shade right here and just kind of start using that to blend out my outer corner. Next up, I'm going to go into this reddish orange shade right here and bring that into my crease and continue blending. Really quick, back into the previous two shades just to make sure that they're really intensified and dark. And then last but certainly not least, I'm going to go into this kind of mustardy yellow shade on a big fluffy brush and just start blending everything out. I'm going to dip back into that reddish orange shade and I'm just going to make sure that that is intensified and everything is blended really, really well. Perfect. I'm going to take my, not blind you guys with it, I'm going to take my number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder and I'm just going to run that back over my brow bone really quick. Next up, I'm going to go into this Tarte Chrome Paint Pot and this is in the shade Sun Drenched and I'm just going to press that all over my lid. And then one last time really quick with nothing, I'm not picking up anything new, just what's left over on my brushes. I'm just going to run it over these outer edges just to make sure that the shimmer shade seamlessly blends into the matte. All right, perfect. I am gonna jump off and I'm going to clean up underneath my eyes and toss on some wings. I'm gonna come back and I'm just going to speed you guys through me putting on my base. I'm not gonna talk about it or kind of even explain products. I'll just show you guys the product. I'll put it up on the screen and then just kind of speed you guys through doing it because I haven't done my base on camera in like months. So, I don't know, maybe you guys wanna watch me do it. Who knows? But I will be right back. Alright, and then for my under eyes, I'm going to go in with all of the same colors that I used on my lid, and I'm just going to use this one brush right here. I'm just going to work from darkest to lightest and just really smoke out the under eye. Alright, and then for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Pixie Rach Loves Layers palette. And for the inner corner, I'm going to focus on T. And then for my cheeks, I'm actually going to put on T and then top it off with just a little bit of knit because I don't want it to be super bright yellow, but I want it to still be really warm. Alright guys, so I am going to jump off and finish up the rest of my eyes, and then I will be back to do lips and show you guys the final look. Alright, to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl lip liner in Keep It Spicy and the NYX Shout Loud Satin Lipstick in Silk. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video and this look. I hope that you guys have a super safe but still a really great holiday season. I know that this year is going to be really different for a lot of us, but I hope that you still have a good holiday season. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. Comment down below and tell me what your favorite thing to eat on Thanksgiving is. I would love to know. I think mine are probably the King's Hawaiian rolls. I don't know why, but just something about those. They are so incredibly good. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!